Alright guys, Renegade here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm currently like outside my house. I'm really not supposed to be out here, but I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. They're having a blizzard in Massachusetts right now. It's crazy, man. Look outside, like look. That's my brothers and my dad's and my one of my friend's cars. It's crazy out here. I can't say much for the roads. It's just insane. And yeah, so this is what I've been up to. It's really, really cold out here. Let's check it out, man. Look at that. It's crazy. Look at it. So yeah, and it looks like it's coming like the screen, like it's like crystals and stuff. It's really cool. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just outside my house. What are you guys up to? This is just the wind is like hitting my face. It's nuts. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's crazy. Whew. But yeah, this is outside my house. As you guys can see, it's a nor'easter. It's big blizzard here in Massachusetts, and just wanted to show the video to show you guys what I'm like up against right now. If you see me not making videos, this is probably why. I can't go outside and make videos. I can't, walk around and stuff. Like, it's just crazy. So I was planning on doing a lot of videos this week, but this like halt my videos for the week. So yeah, you'll see videos probably like Wednesday, maybe Thursday for me. Whenever you're watching this video, today's where is it? The 27th, I believe. Yeah, 27, Tuesday 27, 2015. Nor'easter in Boston, well, Boston, Mass. Yeah, so check it out, man. It's crazy out here. The sky is like tinted. That's my ceiling, but my house. But the sky is like, yeah. So it's just nuts, and I want you guys to see like how much snow this is. Like, I think this is like at least. Whew. That's oops, crap. Oh, I almost fell too. That's at least like, I would say, if I look at this correctly, at least I'll say 12 inches of snow. At least 12 inches of snow. So you guys stay safe, stay inside, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.